Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. So in today's video I'm going to be trying out this new Emerge line from Target for honestly truly okay. So these products, I think they all are $6.99 each, and honestly I feel like you get a lot of products. So I picked up the my everything buttercream, so I got this. Also picked up the Emerge style goals gel, so I got this as well. So today I'm going to be doing it smells good, but y'all, my allergies are bothering me like crazy. But anyway, so today I'm going to be doing a I don't know, I think I'm just gonna do a braid out using these products. So I'm gonna use my everything buttercream and the gel together to do a braid out. So I already washed and deep conditioned my hair overnight, and then I detangled it after I got out of the shower. I mean, after I rinsed out the conditioner, and I added some oil to my hair because I did just take my hair out of those passion twists. So I wanted to add some moisture into my hair, and also too, by me leaving this shower cap on with just some oil in it, my hair feels extremely soft. So yeah, I hope everyone is safe and well, because this coronavirus craziness is taking over the world, and hopefully everything goes back to normal soon so that people can get on with their regularly scheduled lives. It smells really good, and it's really lightweight. It's like really creamy, so, but it's light though. It's like a light cream. Oh, I'm looking this way because my mirror is over here, so that's what I'm looking at. But so far, I don't know. Let's try this. Add a little bit of gel to it. It's super liquidy though. And I like to use, like, when I do braid outs, I like to use like a lightweight gel. I don't know, it just works for my hair. This is the gel, but it's like super watery though. Like, and it smells the same as the it smells the same as the my everything buttercream. It smells the exact same way as that. So far, I'll say that I like this product. It's actually really moisturizing, and I'm not adding any more water to my hair because I already have some moisture in my hair from it being in the shower cap. So the moisture is already there. My curls are popping though with just the cream. Don't act like y'all don't see the popping curl, okay? Don't act like these curls aren't popping. These two products definitely pair well together. I mean, they should. They're from the same line, but the curls for the girls, okay? Yeah, I miss my natural hair so much. Like, I had my passion twist in for like too long. I think I had them in for like 4 weeks. And I was missing my hair, okay? I just love the freedom of not having to do my hair. Like, what? I didn't have to do my hair for 4 weeks. It was amazing. But I gotta get back to my regularly scheduled program. Post some content for you guys, because I haven't really posted anything since I did my passion twist. And y'all deserve better than that, okay? You do. Sorry, apologize. Excuse me. Thank you. How convenient is it that I'm sneezing and going crazy, and then here comes this coronavirus? Girl.
Ghetto. Ghetto.
You know what this stuff smells like? Y'all remember like honeysuckles? That's exactly what it smells like. Honeysuckles. Remember back in the day, well, I don't know, but I remember we used to, you know, you get honeysuckles off the tree. This is exactly what it smells like. Honeysuckle. This is like taking me back to my childhood. The smell. It's just like, oh, so nostalgic. I feel like I'm being too chatty in this video, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my hair and I'll come back. Alright y'all, so my twister, my braids are all done. This is what they're looking like. So yeah, I'm gonna let these dry overnight and then I'll be back in the morning to show you guys the final result. Alright y'all, so it's been a few days since I did these braids. So since I kind of had an allergic reaction, and I'm not really sure if it was because of these products or what it was, but it was mainly like in my nape area right here. I had like some little bumps. I'll try and insert some pictures. I don't know what it was from because that's the only product, only new product that I use. All the other products that I use, I've used them before. So yeah, I don't know. But anyway, I'm gonna take my braids down, and I'm using just a little bit of the melanin hair care oil to take them down. Here's the definition from the first braid. My hair actually feels really moisturized though. So I'm gonna continue taking out my braids and I'll be back. My hair feels so soft. I really didn't even need to use any oil to take these down because the moisture is. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay my edges and then I'll be right back. Okay y'all, so I went ahead and laid my edges. Let's see the big reveal. Okay, first of all, I got a new edge control. It's the Style Factor Extra Strength and Moisture Rich Pomade. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and try out these products. They're $6.99. I mean, you can't beat that. $7 for, how many ounces is this? 15 ounces. And that's it's a lot of cream that comes in here. And then this is 11 ounces. And it's a lot of product that comes in here for $6. I believe their whole entire line is $6. I love like affordable products, so why not just try it? No, it's not overbearing. Yeah, I think my hair came out pretty nice. It's nice and soft and moisturized, so we love that. Like, we love that. Okay, yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Share this video if you liked it, loved it, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
That black yo magic.